If you are planning to start your own business, then having that passion about entrepreneurship is not enough. You need to have a great business idea that is not only in demand but unique too. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chisty and welcome to my YouTube channel Born for Entrepreneurs. In this video, I will share with you 15 small business ideas for beginners in 2020. Number 15 business idea is clothing boutique. If you have a great eye on fashion, you should consider your passion for fashion into business. Like any other business, before opening a clothing boutique, you need a proper business plan, a right business location, and trained people. While setting up your boutique, make a list of suppliers and start marketing your business in advance. Number 14 business idea is Decor Business. If you are looking for creative small business ideas, then this can be a great option for you. You may either choose to have a home decor business or office decor business. Both have a great possibility in the current market and the future as well. Number 13 business idea is online tutoring. Just choose the field you are passionate about and help others to gain knowledge by providing virtual classes. At every stage, people love to learn new things. So, having an online tutoring can be a profitable business. Number 12. Affiliate marketing with a blog. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money by promoting others people's products and services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. Number 11. Interior designer. It is one of the most creative business idea to start your entrepreneurial journey. The trend of interior designing is growing greatly. The industry has become so competitive and flourished that individuals have started considering new business venture in this niche. Number 10. Agriculture business. Agriculture business is all about the productions and marketing of agriculture goods. If you have vacant land that is suitable for agriculture activities, then agriculture is the best business idea for you. You can start from your home. The best business ideas in agriculture are agriculture farm, fertilizer distribution business, poultry farm, beekeeping business, fish farming, flower business, dairy farming, fruits and vegetable farming business. Number 9. Mobile app development. With the majority of the people using smartphones, there are countless apps that are developed every day. In order to tap into new revenue streams, companies now find mobile apps more useful than desktops. Currently, there are around 2.6 billion smartphones users worldwide, and the number is expected to grow 3 billion by the end of 2021. Number 8. Content creation agency. These days, creating catchy and unique content has become one of the big challenges for companies. Rather than depending on one professional individuals, they have started taking the help of agencies to curate impressive content. If you are an excellent content writer, then you may consider starting content writing agency as one of the best business to start in 2020. Number 7. Daycare business. Taking care of children when parents are away from home is high in demand. But for parents, finding a right or trustworthy daycare is little difficult. Fill a need in your neighborhood by opening a daycare business. It is not only the best business to start with a little money, but also provide flexibility and non-seasonal markets. Number 6. Photography business. Photography is not only about capturing pictures but emotions too. Taking pictures is now no more a hobby. It has turned into a business now. In 2015, the digital photography market was estimated to reach 78 billion. It is expected to touch 120 billion marks by 2021. Number 5. Event planning. If you are extremely organized, detail-oriented individuals who loves to organize parties, then you have the right personality to start an event planning business. The biggest advantage of having an event planning company is that if your clients like your work, you will get repeated clients, and those clients may help you in finding new ones. You also get some percentage of money in advance. Number 4, website design. If you have all required skills, then having a business of website design can be best option for you. You can get lots of clients and few professionals to meet their requirements. There is one of the small business ideas which has really worked well for many. Number 3, product or business reviewer. A startup or individuals usually look for people who can write reviews for their products or service to encourage the audience to make a purchase. If you love to write and looking for online business ideas, this can be a great option. You can either get started with a profile on freelancing website or contact companies directly. Number 2, bakery business. Starting a bakery business is one of the most successful home-based business idea available today. If you enjoy baking and got skills not only to create tempting food but also visually appearing, then this can be one of the best startup ideas. You can also tie up with some retail shops to sell your products in their stores. Number 1, coffee shop. Over the past few years, the coffee industry has seen rapid growth. Earlier, people go to coffee shops to spend some quality time and their loved one. But today, people are conducting their official meetings there. If you yourself a coffeeholic, then convert your love for passions for coffee into a profitable business. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry for my poor accent. I will be glad if you like the video and give me some suggestion on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.